Rather make millions, but I'm so stuck on my feelings. Like I take pills to kill, but somehow wanna kill the villain. I hesitate about a minute before making decisions.
Yeah, alright. Check.
Hey guys, so I just finished a quick little Anki session. I did some new cards on histology of the urinary system. So now I'm going to quickly pack my bag and then get ready for my doctor's appointment.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel.
Yeah. Smile, Daryl.
Already spoken, and there is nothing.
Currently going to find Angelica and Nick because we're having lunch together. I just finished studying in the library, had a relatively productive session, but yeah, I'm excited to eat because I'm really hungry. Okay, my matcha frap has been secured, so I'm gonna head to my Common Core tutorial. It is currently 9:05 and I'm headed to campus right now. I've got 2 lectures this morning on urogenital diseases, which are actually our last 2 for this semester, which is really exciting. And then after lunch, I have clinical skills.
Sarah's vlog is cringe.
There's no elevated jugular venous pressure. Do you have anything to say to the vlog?
Not anymore. Running circles right back to your door. And I'm so tired of trying to change your mind.
Haley, what happened?
I was just shaking his hand and it came off.
I thought it looked good for your finals. Whoa, wait.
I'm putting that in.
Wait, it's wrinkled. Wait, you gotta.
Okay, go.
Hi guys, we're in active learning.
This is our 5th workshop.
Wait, the 5th? I thought it was the 4th.
Embryology.
Oh, okay, yeah, 5th.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Drop top on the motorway, all alone, girl, I'm on the way. I've been waiting the whole day, finding myself so impatient. I just wanna taste it.
Okay, so we just had some really good matcha ice cream. I just tried that like Haley's actual scoop one, which was pretty good. So our goal is next time we go try Hema, and we'll rate the cheesecake as well. Solid. I just finished dinner with Anson, Haley, and Angelica, and now I'm walking to my bus stop to go home. I think I'm gonna try and study for a little bit, but like no promises.
Feeling all your melanin melting through my...
What's up? I am now back home, and surprise, surprise, I'm actually kind of in the mood to do a little bit more work before I head to bed. Usually once I have dinner, like that is it for the day. I'm not studying anymore. I'm listening to When Will My Life Begin right now. So yeah, I'm in a pretty good mood and I'm feeling kind of rejuvenated, so I'm gonna study a bit first.
take a photo.
Stumpy Bakery. Okay, so we're currently taking a study break and we're doing 10 fast fingers. So place your bets in the comments. The face of a loser. Okay, this is very intense. It's very intense.
Very intense.
Okay, I'm definitely gonna lose.
Eat my dust.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, can we start again?
What?
Okay,
ready? 3, 2. Oh, that's pretty good.
No! I told you were a lot better than me.
No, that's pretty good. That's still pretty good. Hello.
This is very L, man. This is very L. Hello, it is just after 10 and I'm on the way home. I am pretty tired right now, I'm not gonna lie, but had a very good, productive study session, so very happy today. I am gonna shower, get ready for bed, do a little bit more anki, like just a couple of reviews, nothing crazy, and then head to bed because I have a Common Core presentation to do tomorrow, so yeah. Good morning! I'm now on campus walking to Centennial because I have to practice for my CC presentation with my group. We have about 30 minutes, so yeah. Guys, I try to branch out and get the mango passion fruit frap, and I just really don't like it. Would not recommend. Hello, it's much later now. I just made myself a hot chocolate and threw on a comfy hoodie because I'm about to start my next study session. I just helped out in the kitchen. I was cutting veggies because we're having roast lamb tonight, which is very exciting. But before that, I'm going to try and bash out another set of Anki review cards because the grind never stops.
I got the sunrise, I was up early. I made your phone call, I was out swerving. But you take it this high, it ain't no service. I'ma hit you when I get the chance, don't worry. Taking my time, since you can't hurry. Scoring like Brown, all I need is my jersey. I'ma get mine every time, that's Shirley. I be getting mine every time.
Happy Sunday! I am waiting for the bus to go to church right now. I just ran down a flight of stairs because I didn't want to miss my bus, but it got delayed, so yeah. I'm here with Esther. We are having a little study session for lunch. Yeah, it's really good. And then chicken kebab.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display.